By using ChatGPT and uh, Perplexity, we can build a small project. How to do within 3 minutes or 5 minutes. So first, I don't know the prompt and all. So I don't know how to give all prompts and all. So let me ask prompt to this ChatGPT. So I just need a project within HTML and Java, script and CSS using. So when user fill data that can store in memory and I can export that data into a PDF or Excel. I can download. Okay? Now need a prompt. Okay? See here. It is generating prompt based on my instructions. So if you see here, let me take this prompt and go to my Perplexity and I give here with labs. So this Perplexity is a free edition for whoever. So your application is generated successfully. So if you see here, so so there is assets. So here I can download the whole zip file. Okay, I downloaded. So where it is going? So my downloads. So if I open, so let me extract this first. So I want to extract. Okay. So next. So if you see here, app.js, index.html, and style.css. And if you see here, let me open my CMD. So here, space code dot, sorry, code dot x. Okay. Next, you see here, this is my code. It can generate it. So this is the JavaScript and this is the styles it can give you. So let me run this project within Visual Studio Code. So if you see here, this is the data I have. Okay. So, so no user found. So all clear. Okay. Now let me add some data about so dummy data. So let me say Ravi is the new employee and some email, dummy email, Ravi at the gmail.com and phone number, some dummy phone number I'm giving and address, let me say Hyderabad. Okay. add user. So user added successfully. So Ravi. So see here how this is. So export to PDF. So I exported this PDF to here. So now see here. User data report generated. So 11 a.m. Ravi. And let me same I can do it export to here as well. Total records. So how many records you want? You can add it. Just Krish and Krish at the rate gmail.com and phone, some dummy phone number you can give. So like this, you can give some dummy address. So Hyderabad. So yeah, it. See, now you can export. Now you can see what Ravi, Krish, and like this. So we can see it. So this is how by using Perplexity and the ChatGPT, we can create these small projects by using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So thank you.